How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can end a stage in platformer mode with the end trigger. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the triggers function. And in my case, I'm going to be ending my level onto this specific part of my level right here. Simply once inside, you can just click on the edit objects. And of course, you can customize your and trigger the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be adding effects. So I'm just going to be disabling all of this. And then in my case, I don't want to be sucked onto the end trigger. So I'll just click on the touch trigger right here, making sure that the level will only end if I touch the trigger itself. And so most people get it wrong by just playing the game normally. So if you're on your level editor like this one, and you play your game normally, basically this will not end right here. So what you can do is to just pause your level, click on the save and play. And what will happen with this one is it will actually allow us to finish our game right here by touching the end trigger itself. And so that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.